Hello students. Students, I have been in teaching field from more than 2 decades and I have been teaching mathematics and science. And I have observed one thing, that there is a lot of phobia of mathematics. I don't know why, but many people, I'm not saying everyone, but many people don't like maths or they are scared of maths. There is a fear of maths. And my intention of creating this playlist or to start this channel is to remove that phobia, remove that fear. I want people to love mathematics, understand mathematics, and play with the mathematics. So, my target is only one, to make maths easy for everyone. To do so, let us get connected to the roots of India through Vedic maths. Here I am naming my session as Vedic Mathematics Essence of Vedas. The word Vedic is originated from Vedas, which means knowledge. So basically, we are talking about Vedas, or we want to figure out what exactly is a Vedas, right? So now, since I am talking about the roots, so let me take you back to the history. You know one thing, we belong to a land which is known for its knowledge. India is considered for its knowledge. Our ancient people, our saints, were knowing more than we can imagine also. And I'm not saying this just for the sake of saying. I can give you the evidence. First of all, let us talk what exactly are Vedas. Vedas are the religious text originating in ancient India and composed in Vedic Sanskrit. Now, here again, there is a little change over here. The actual concept is, see, first thing is कि they are not the literature. They were not initially the literature. They were Shrutis. Shrutis which were there in the universe, and our saints, they used to meditate a lot, and after meditating they used to collect that knowledge and then they used to forward it to the next generation. Later on, it was scripted in Vedic Sanskrit. We have 4 Vedas. I'll not go in the detail of those Vedas. I'll just tell you the names like Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samveda, and Athar Veda. And as I said, Vedas are Shruti. Shruti means the vibration and the sounds in the universe. Okay, and these sacred sounds everyone cannot hear. The people, the saints who used to do the intense meditation, they used to get it. That's why there were gurukuls earlier, right? Now, the next thing is why I am saying all this, from where I have the evidence. So let us talk about the evidence. For years, we all trusted and believed that Earth is round, Earth is flat, right? For years, we considered that Earth is flat. But in 5th century, one Greek scientist told that the Earth is round. So we are thankful to that person who told us that the Earth is round. But students, tell me one thing. Do you know the Sanskrit name of Earth? The Sanskrit name of Earth is Bhugol. And what is the meaning of Bhugol? Bhugol means Bhugol. Means, sorry for this. Bhugol means the earth is round. Bhu means dharti, gol means goal. Right? So the earth is round. We were knowing it. That's the reason we named earth as Bhugol. Right? Now tell me one more thing. What is the Sanskrit name of world? The Sanskrit name of world is Jagat. Jagat meaning moving. So the moment people were talking that the earth is round, our people were knowing that it is not a stationary object, it is moving. And we all know now that earth is rotating on its own axis along with around the other thing, right? So now the next thing is, what is the Sanskrit name of solar system? The Sanskrit name of solar system is Surya Malika. If you break this word, Surya means sun, Malika means garland. And what type of system we have? We have a sun and our planets are rotating around it. Doesn't it look like a Surya Malika? That is the reason our solar system was named as Surya Malika. So everything we were knowing, and it is well written in the our Vedas and other scriptures. Now some more facts I'll tell you. Antares star in Sanskrit is known as Jeshta. What is the meaning of word Jeshta? Jeshta means biggest. Usually we call the elder brother as Jeshta, right? And what is the specialty of this star? It is 40,000 times bigger than sun, the biggest star, right? Similarly, there is one more example. Great Bear, that is Arundhati Vashishta twin stars. What is a twin stars? Twin stars are the stars, they are together and they are rotating in opposite direction. Only Arundhati Vashishta is a type of a twin star. Both of the stars rotate in the same direction. That is in our custom. In many religions, it is told that during a marriage day, a couple is asked to look at the star. That is the so every custom we follow has a scientific reason behind it. Right? So that is why I told you that we are very rich when it comes to a knowledge. I'll give you one more example which is more connected to mathematics. Katapayati Sankhya. We have a decoding system in Vedas. And there is one shloka. If you decode it, you will get the value of pi up to 50 digits. So now you can understand what was the depth of knowledge those people were having. Right? Now let us come back to the Vedic mathematics. I told you that Vedic is coming from Vedas, and what is the importance of Vedas, that I told you. And where our roots are, that also I told you. Now let us focus what exactly is a Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is an ancient system of mathematics from Vedas which was rediscovered by Bharti Krishna Tritaji between 1911 and 1918. That is the reason he is known as father of Vedic mathematics. So he rediscovered it, right? He has given it in a words where we can understand, interpret it, and learn from that system. Now, why this Vedic mathematics? First, it is world's fastest mental math system. I will tell you why this mental math system is also required, though we do have the hi-fi calculators and all. In the world of AI, robots, I am talking to learn the mathematical method which you can do orally, right? It is based on 16 sutras or formulas. It do have 13 sub-sutras also. It is the most systematic and simple than the conventional system. It creates interest in subject. It eradicates math phobia. And the best part, it increases visualization and concentration in children. See, to keep your body healthy, what you do? You do jogging, you swim, you play sports. See, today you have all the facilities. Okay, you have robots, you have AI, you can sit and manage your whole life. But then also people go for jogging, then also people go to gym, then also people do yoga. Why? Because if you don't use your body, if you don't use your body parts, you won't be active and they will be like, it will be rusted, right? Same way, if you don't use your brain, it will not grow, it will not develop, because we all know that we use a very minimal amount of our brain, right? That is the reason, though we can do every calculation in calculator, it is always advisable to use, to try to solve it manually, orally, by visualizing the digits, because it gives a lot of exercise to your brain, especially for small kids. That is the reason till a certain grade calculator is not allowed. So our brain is a complex thing which need a consistent exercise, a consistent work. And Vedic mathematics, where you do the oral calculations, our brain get a lot of stimulus and it grows. So now there are many different tricks in Vedic mathematics. See, I said there are 16 sutras and there are 13 sub sutras which help me to bring the tricks. So I will be in this code discussing few tricks for the small kids, few tricks for the elder kids, and to a higher level tricks also. Along with that, I'll teach you a basic multiplication system of Vedic mathematics, division in Vedic mathematics. I'll discuss about few formulas as well. Okay, and please understand कि if you don't feel that it is a exercise for your brain, then also whether you are a student in school or in college, or you are giving any competitive, or you are preparing for placement, we required the fast calculation. So fast speed and accuracy is what we required. So in my next session, I will be discussing about the multiplication methods along with you. And I have just left the screen empty here so that you will be waiting for the next video and we will learn the concept of Vedic mathematics stepwise. Thank you.